YouTube provides a free option to edit a video on its platform. Let's see how we can edit a video on YouTube. After signing in YouTube Studio, click on Videos on the left side. Click on any video thumbnail that you want to edit. Click on Editor on the left sidebar, and by doing so will open Video Editor in the YouTube. Here you can trim or split a video. Please follow the steps as shown in the video. First we will click on Trim, and in the video timeline click where you want to trim. Drag the white line in the beginning to trim the video. Now, we are trimming our video from the end. To do so, click on the timeline to mark it. Drag the white line from the end of the video till our mark. This will trim our video from the end. If we want to cut some video part from the middle of the timeline, click on the timeline to mark and then click on Split at bottom. Click again the timeline to mark the portion which we want to chop off, and then start dragging the white line where we were split it. Click on Save button on the top right of Video Editor. We can also add a music in our video from the YouTube library. To do so, click on the down arrow in the audio layer and then click on plus audio text to add music. This will open a list of YouTube music library. Select a music track of your choice and click on Add to Video on the right side of the list. You can adjust the music volume by dragging it in Audio Saturation section and then click on Save Changes button. Now, click on Revert to Original button on the top right and you will be back on your video timeline. You can also add end screen in your video. To do so, click on plus sign as shown in the video and then click on Apply Template. This will open a list of end screen styles. Select any template which you want to use in your video and reposition the thumbnail if required. Click on Save button on the top right. See how easy this was to edit a video in YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.